deep in the heart of Goa, in the beautiful village of Maina Kurturin. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the feast of Handi Huris. It is the 20th of August and you can see people of all kinds of faith. They've come here with petitions, intention and their faith has brought them here today. Come with me in this journey of faith. What is the significance of this feast?
The significance of this feast is that we have been celebrating this feast for maybe 50, 60 years back. This feast is saying that what they are building is Fuska Handi. That is, they are blocking the mouth of the lake. That is by putting the slice gate. And feast is celebrated by the workers, by the farmers of this. There are 3 wards here.
Yes.
So it is divided, each ward celebrates this Hanikuris feast each year. So it is a routine.
Yes.
So the thing is that the ward which celebrates this feast have mass in the morning, and then they come here, all the workers here come here to build this khandi, that is this slice gate, where water accumulates and this water is consumed for the next harvest.
एक वेस्ट तांबेले पयले मय पासणो हे तोळे आमी बांदताली हे तोळे रोयताले आतां तोळे आमी रोयनाय आतां हे तोळे उदक हाडायताय 1-2 पिको रोयताय आमी ही पीक आमगेली हेजी हे उदक हाडायन हे आतां शेत न्हिवतले आमी आनी मागीर निवोन जातरी आनी ही पीक तोळ्याचें उदक हे सायडी घातले हे सायडी जाली म्हणटच हे सायडी उदक काबार जालें म्हणटच मागीर ते सायडी ओपन करलें उदक आनी ते शेतां दितलें उदक त्या शेतां दिलें म्हणटच आमगेलें मागीर लास्ट सगळें शेत हें जालें न्ही कोणोस भायर येयलें पिकोलें न्ही मागीर आमी न्हिवतलीं नाक तें उदक आमी दर्याक मारतलीं.
Kolekando.
Okay.
The group, the name of Kolekando is celebrating feast today.
Okay. Were you a part of the feast in the morning as well?
Yeah, I am one of the farmers who is celebrating the feast.
How is the whole experience for you and how many years have been since you're coming here?
We are coming since childhood. Many years have passed. We are small only. But that is the spirit of God has to increase. The spirituality has to increase. All these years, the Shatkas have been doing good work. So I want to just tell you that people come here with a lot of devotion and a lot of expectation from God. So they receive the blessings, and every time they have received it, that's why they are coming back again. I think this is a holy place, and we should respect it, and we should look forward to having it as green as possible. And the commitment of the ancestors to keep this green, we have carried it forward. We wish to carry it even more further.
जाय म्हळ्यार पांय मेले आमगे जाली बरी वर्स जाली त्या झाडल्या आमी आतां म्हाका 60 वर्स जाली 60 आनी 4 वर्स जाली तरी हांव रोयताय आमी रोयताय सगळे शेतकार आमी रोयताय मोगान रोयताय झगड नाय बगड नाय.
I'm currently selling flowers for the youth. I've been coming here since I was very small. And yeah, this is my fourth year that I'm selling flowers with the youth. Um, I've seen many devotees coming from far, like even not just today, but yesterday, like few days before, even tomorrow they will come. So yeah.
Okay. And how long you'll be standing here now, maybe helping selling the flowers?
So we'll be here till 11, like till the cross will be closed, and then after that, we'll offer these flowers on behalf of the youth, and we will go.
यहाँ मोठाय तुगे कसलें काम आहा कसलें कोण दुयें ते आहा ओ तूं खंय वचपा जाय तेका लागून ही एक मोठाय हे आमी 40 आनी 8 जाण शेतकार आहाय त्या शेतकारां पासत ते शेतकार हे तुमचे पासत हे रोजार कोताय ही एक मोठाय एक तांचे बाबा नमन मरी रोजार हे आनी हे बोलता तूं मागोता तेका देवाको मागोता आपूण कितें दितो म्हण तुका मुगे काम जाल्यार ते हाडून दिच्या जाय ते हाडून दिना जाल्यार तुमकां सारकें चड माल हेचो थिंग हावपा आहा तें चोयल तुमी सगलें तें हें जालोलें आनी तें लोकांक दिलोलें आमी कांय हाडलो ना आमगे पयशे सगलें लोकांलें.
What is your message to the youth and the people that are sitting at home or people who are coming here? What is your message to them?
My message is nothing but don't stop cultivating paddy, because paddy is very important. You have to see that that the land what has been given by ancestors to us, we have to nurture it, we have to grow and eat healthy food. So my message is to them is don't stop cultivating field. Continue your work, agriculture, fruit bearing trees, everything should be your agenda for the day.
Today we witnessed the beautiful feast of the Handi Huris. This feast is not celebrated only by the people of Maina or people of Kurtorim. It is celebrated by people all across Goa. A cross that has so much devotion, and so many people are yet to come for this feast today. We spoke to the farmers. They had so much to tell us, so many stories and so many things about the sluice gate, about the angons that happen here, and so many prayers are answered every year. It is said that once if they come one year and if their prayers are answered, the next year they offer may it be cake, may it be food, and this is happening for so many years. So for such more videos, keep watching The Voice for Goa. Thank you.